of age, he's returning to Star Maker, having been a grand finalist in 2014. That same year, Damien was a finalist in the Rising Star category of the 2014 Australian Independent Country Music Awards in Mildura. He's been very successful in the country music talent quest scene and has won studio time with Simon Johnson, recording his debut EP with Simon. He has shared the stages with the likes of Troy Cassar-Daley, Amber Lawrence, Catherine Britt, Carter and Carter, and the great Adam Harvey. Damien plans to organise a tour through drought-stricken communities in Western Queensland and Western New South Wales to try and raise funds for the producers that are doing it tough out there. Certainly a noble proposition there from Damien. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome to the stage contestant number 3, Damien Aegis.